Hello everyone, welcome to Hahu Boari Pakhor. I am Papuri.
And I am Isha.
Today I am going to make a traditional Assamese dish, pato dia mas, steamed fish wrapped in banana or turmeric leaf. This delicacy is passed on from one generation to another. I watch my mother-in-law preparing this dish, and in the process I learned from them. For this recipe we need raw fish, 4 tablespoons mustard paste, 2 tablespoons crushed garlic and ginger, 3 big onions cut into thin slices, little turmeric powder just for color, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 3 tablespoons mustard oil, few chilies, chopped coriander leaves. I am using wild coriander, maan dhania, found in northeast, and finally banana and turmeric leaf for the wrapping. Now I am heating up the banana leaf a little so that it can be folded easily. I have roughly crushed the ginger garlic. Take 9 pieces of fish and add all the ingredients and mix gently till the pieces are nicely coated. Taking 3 pieces of fish for the turmeric leaf wrapping. Now I will hold the banana leaf and tie it with a string which is made out of mid-rib of banana leaf. If banana or turmeric leaf is not available, we can use aluminum foil also. The purpose of using banana or turmeric leaf is to add aroma to the dish. I am using a steaming pan. In the lower chamber, pour some water and let it warm up for few minutes. Water is warm now. Now I am going to steam it for 15 to 20 minutes in medium flame. Steaming is done. Check if it is ready. If not, then steam for some more time. Let's see. Mine is perfectly done and ready to eat with steamed rice. Wow, looking so beautiful. Lovely smell. Let's taste now. Lovely.
Ma, your dish looks very tempting.
This is a very healthy yet very tasty dish. Those who are health conscious can easily go for it.
Friends, if you enjoyed my mom-in-law's pato dia mas, do like the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you all soon with another dish. Take care. Bye.